In a world where trends shift quickly and new materials are produced every day, there is something deeply meaningful about pausing and looking at what already exists, especially when it comes to wood. The art of repurposing old wood isn't just about crafting furniture, it's about honoring history, preserving natural character, and allowing beauty to re-emerge through thoughtful design. Old wood carries stories. It may come from a dismantled barn, a weathered fence, a retired table, a shipping pallet, or even scraps left behind from larger projects. Each knot, grain, and scratch reveals the passing of time. When we choose to repurpose wood instead of discarding it, we celebrate the idea that age does not diminish value. Instead, it enhances it. On today's episode, the essence of creativity meets sustainability, as we explore how to transform old wood into functional furniture and home decor masterpieces that bring warmth, personality, and purpose into any living space. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets comfort and every day brings new inspiration for your home. If you love unique decor, warm natural textures, and the beauty of handcrafted furniture, you're in the right place. We post daily videos, sharing fresh and meaningful ideas that transform ordinary spaces into cozy, stylish, and personal havens. Before we begin today's journey into the art of repurposing wood, make sure to subscribe, tap the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest creations and decor inspirations. Your support helps our creative community grow, and it means so much. Now, let's dive in. Repurposing wood starts with the appreciation of natural texture. Unlike newly processed lumber, reclaimed wood already has its identity. The grain is more pronounced, the color is richer, and the finish tells a story of sun, rain, seasons, and years of use. When crafting new pieces, this natural character removes the need for artificial aging techniques. A repurposed wooden shelf hung in a hallway can feel like a preserved memory. A coffee table made from old beams carries a rustic, grounded charm. Even small decor pieces, like candle holders, trays, picture frames, or wall-mounted art, become statement accents that reflect a deeper connection to nature. It is this warmth, this quiet beauty, that makes repurposed wood so special in interior design. The style works beautifully in modern, rustic, Scandinavian, bohemian, farmhouse, and minimalist homes, because wood has always been timeless. Today, as the love for natural and earthy home environments grows, repurposed wood is becoming a centerpiece of interior design culture. It reflects values of authenticity, creativity, mindfulness, and sustainability. It connects people to the warmth of nature, even in urban settings. It reminds us that beauty can come from age, from imperfection, and from thoughtful renewal. The process of working with old wood can be gentle and intuitive. The wood itself often guides the final design. The creator observes its grain, its length, its imperfections, and lets the piece evolve naturally. There is no rush. Repurposing wood encourages patience, observation, and a deep appreciation for texture and form. When finished, the final piece often looks like it always belonged exactly where it is placed. This art form encourages people to look differently at what they already have. That old drawer that seems useless might become a wall shelf. An unwanted wooden chair might become a side table. The wooden frame from a broken mirror might become a piece of wall art. Repurposing teaches us to see potential where others see waste. It transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary. Repurposed wood does not need to be large or grand to be meaningful. Sometimes the simplest pieces carry the most beauty. A small reclaimed wood centerpiece on a dining table, a hand-carved candle holder, a rustic picture frame, or a wooden wall plaque with a meaningful word or pattern, all these pieces can transform the emotional tone of a home. They remind us that beauty is not always found in complexity. Sometimes it is found in the gentle echo of nature's original form. One of the most admired pieces that can be made from repurposed wood is the dining table. A dining table is more than a piece of furniture. It is a place where people gather, eat, share, and connect. When this table is made from reclaimed wood, it brings a sense of authenticity into the home. The marks on the wood may have belonged to another family, another life, another era. Yet now, it becomes part of a new story. Paired with metal legs for an industrial modern feel, or left with carved wooden legs for a rustic traditional style, a repurposed wood dining table embodies craftsmanship and sustainability. Each surface feels alive, warm, and welcoming. Shelving and storage pieces are also beautiful ways to use repurposed wood. A simple floating shelf made from old plank pieces immediately adds texture to a plain wall. Unlike factory-made shelves, reclaimed wood shelves do not need perfection. Their uneven edges, color variations, and natural cracks are exactly what make them stunning. When styled with plants, books, or ceramics, the shelves transform a space into a visual story. Bookcases, side cabinets, wall-mounted entryway organizers, and kitchen spice racks created from reclaimed lumber bring both practicality and charm. These pieces remind us that functional design does not have to be sterile or mass-produced. It can be personal, thoughtful, and poetic. Repurposed wood also finds new life in bedroom decor. Headboards built from reclaimed wood can instantly change the feel of a room. The bed becomes a centerpiece, with warm tones grounding the space. Some choose to paint repurposed wood in soft whites or pastels for a cottage look, while others keep the natural tones exposed to embrace rustic warmth. Nightstands, bedside shelves, and even repurposed wooden ladders used as blanket holders can add storage and style without overwhelming the room. These pieces create environments that feel restful, and connected to nature, spaces where relaxation feels more real. In the living room, reclaimed wood coffee tables, side tables, media consoles, and accent walls become powerful focal points. A wooden accent wall especially brings depth and emotion into the room. Whether arranged in horizontal patterns, herringbone style, or random plank variation, the wood's texture softens sharp architectural lines and introduces a calming rhythm to the environment. Combined with soft textiles, indoor plants, and gentle lighting, reclaimed wood turns the living room into a place of comfort and grounding. Even small decor touches like coasters, wooden bowls, planter boxes, or candle trays add warmth and harmony to daily living spaces. Another powerful way repurposed wood shines is in outdoor living areas. Patios, balconies, and garden spaces become inviting when furnished with reclaimed wood benches, plant stands, stool tables, and garden pathways. The weathered look of aged wood blends beautifully with nature. Over time, the wood continues to age gracefully, developing deeper tones and a softer texture. An outdoor seating corner made from repurposed pallets with comfortable cushions can become a favorite place to relax, read, drink tea, or talk with loved ones. Repurposing is also closely connected to sustainability. By using old wood, we reduce waste, lower demand for new lumber, and help conserve forests. Every reclaimed wood project is an act of environmental care. It proves that design and responsibility can work together beautifully. Many people appreciate that repurposed wood furniture has a soul. It carries emotional value because it has been given a second life. This is different from buying something new from a store shelf. It is mindful creation. It is respect for nature, for materials, and for craftsmanship. In modern home decor, repurposed wood pieces stand out because they contrast with the uniformity of machine-produced furniture. They introduce life, emotion, and texture into clean contemporary spaces. Even in luxury interiors, reclaimed wood pieces add depth and sophistication. Designers around the world use reclaimed materials to create environments that feel lived in, meaningful, and emotionally resonant. Repurposing old wood into functional furniture and decor is not just a craft, it is a philosophy. It is a way of seeing the world with appreciation rather than consumption. It is the art of transformation, the celebration of history, and the embrace of natural beauty. Through these creations, homes become not just decorated spaces, but living reflections of memory, character, and care. Thank you for spending your time here with Kuki Decor. If today's ideas inspired your creativity or warmed your heart, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can continue this journey with us. We post new videos every day, always celebrating craftsmanship, beauty, and the simple joy of making a home feel truly yours. Until next time, may your spaces be cozy, meaningful, and filled with the gentle touch of creativity.